I was just scratching away at this with a knife. My hands are already full of pastel and paints and things. So I've just got this, just a normal knife, kitchen knife. I was just scratching away at this. I won't talk while I'm scratching. And I got some really nice marks. So I'm going to leave this one for now. Really pleased with that. A little close up. So I'll leave that one and I'm going to scratch away at the others. I did put pastel on here, a lot of pastel, more paint. Revealing the underneath, really liking it. What I am scratching off, I'm just putting onto another painting. You know, this series, this idea of working in series, which I really love, really works for me. Look at that. Revealed some green there that was on at some point. Just going to play around, and I think I've worked on these since I last. I think the last time you saw them was when I was putting some spray paints on them. So I think I know I've worked on them some more since then. I know I wanted to do some bold marks, so that's what I did, like this swoosh. I love this reveal of underneath. Does make a mess everywhere. I did have a little bit of a sweep up before when I finished that one. Look at that, it's gone right back. Really like it. Look at that, I've got some purple back there. So if you want to try this, of course, you've got to be a bit brave and think about ruining paintings. That's what a lot of people are afraid of. You get to a point and you think, oh yeah, I like that, and stop. But you know, if we continue that a little bit more, fingers crossed, she says, then I'm sure I'll get something even more interesting. And it's paint, it's ink, it's collage, it's mixed media. So if I don't like it, I can just keep adding. But when you're having these sessions of experimenting is when you get, I think, the wow moments as well. This orange coming through. Orange and gold. I put gold leaf on these and copper leaf before. So I'm getting some of that back there. Lovely. Probably play with these a lot more. Look at that, I'm not happy with that. I'll just grab my piece of, not that, grab a piece of pastel and cover that up again. Ta-da! would have liked to have gotten some gold there. In fact, goldy gold. I got a gold anywhere? I know I have. So if there's any areas you don't like, then I suppose that's the starting place where you could scratch away. Oh, that's scratched off already. Did I work on this one? I think I did. Yeah, I did. So I'm liking some of these. Just need a little bit more. I think they're almost there. Still with my influence of mountains, lakes, rivers. You'll see this kind of lakey influence in this one. This one I'm really liking. Really liking that kind of the lakey reflection of that one. And the swans came back this week. The swans came back. Remember I think it was one of my first videos I posted of me doing the painting process of the abstract swan painting, and they're back this week, so really excited about that. Ooh, gold, gold, gold coming back. I might try my other tool. This is the wire. Do you know what you scrub? Is it called a scrubbing? Wire scrubbing? I don't know, what is it called? Wire wool? No, it's not wire wool. It's a pan scrubber. Pan scrubber. Obviously it's metal, so I'm going to try that. Quite like this because I think I could use this on the canvases. Don't know if I'd risk a knife. Another idea for you to try. And if you're feeling stuck of getting started, then don't forget to download my 5 ways to start a painting, an abstract painting, but any painting really. You know, if you're not an abstract painter, you can start abstract and then go in. Ooh, look at that pink's come back. This is all part of my big collection of the Connection series. I love this idea of digging back, scraping back, because I've been doing a lot of reflecting back on my past lately, my upbringing, my background in England. For those that you don't know, I live in the south of France and come from England in Yorkshire. Spent a lot of my childhood obviously in Yorkshire because that's where I came from, but in the Lake District as well. My older sister moved there and I spent all my holidays there, all my school holidays. I think I've worked on that one. What have I not worked on? Getting a good collection here. Ooh, that's lovely and rich. Gold. See this gold and orange bits underneath there. lovely, that orange is against this deep, what colour is that? Like teal, I guess. Loving my blues at the minute. Love that. So, maybe things that you've covered up that you liked, but you covered up anyway, you can get back. It would be really good as well going into wet paint. When I put some more paint on, I'll do that. Getting a little bit of pink back underneath. Ooh, some bright green coming through there. I remember putting that on. That's the when I had the spray paint that didn't work and I just kind of poured it on. Don't want to lose that. Maybe lighten some of these areas up. So yeah, I just wanted to, I started doing it and I thought, oh, I might as well film and show you, give you another idea. I've already done it on this one. It kind of sands it down a little bit as well. Remember when I went in with the sandpaper on these, with the sander? You through so many stages. I'll keep going until I'm happy. So yeah, I'll keep going and see what else I reveal. Might add some more paint on, and I like those deep colours. I might add some more paint on and use this to see what happens, and well, see you in the next one. Bye for now. Au revoir.